Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I stayed here last night and they actually upped my tier level. So when that happens, you have to go to every hotel and casino and make sure they match that up so you get better comps at all the hotels and casinos. So I'm heading over to Ocean this morning to make sure that my tier level gets up there. And I'm also going to stop off at the park, one of my favorite hangouts here in Atlantic City, and maybe have a light lunch. Come along with me. Hold on tight. It's really a beautiful morning to have lunch at the park today. And again, I got upgraded last night at the Hard Rock, so I came here with my brand new Hard Rock card, showed it to Ocean Rewards, and they upgraded me as well. That ham and Swiss croissant looks really good, and it's something I've never had here before. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Shout out once again to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Fremont Hotel and Casino, as well as the Downtown Grand in downtown Las Vegas. Congratulations, Robert Camacho. They have seating inside, and it's kind of warm and muggy out, but it's just such a beautiful day. Who wants to sit inside, although it is air conditioned? But I'll eat out here. As usual, I'm trying to do everything with one hand since the other one's holding the camera, and it's a little windy out here, so I'm doing the best I can to show off this food. So I got the ham and Swiss croissant. It's a lot of cheese on here. It's nice and gooey. It looks kind of small, but it's not really. It just kind of looks small on the camera, I guess. But it's an actual full-size croissant. It's really good and substantial. And they upsold me some hash browns. I'm such a sucker. And I thought some apple cider was a natural with the ham. I guess I have autumn on my mind. So I got some hash browns, a side of hash browns, and a ham and Swiss croissant that looks really good. And for the, I guess the schoolboy in me, I got some apple juice. The croissant's very good. It's flaky, nice and warm, toasted, and of course the ham is good, and the cheese, you saw the Swiss cheese melted all over that ham. It's a good melty, gooey sandwich for lunch. So I wanted to order something light for lunch, and I thought a ham and Swiss would be kind of like a light lunch, but this is pretty heavy, so much for that. I'm going to Cape May today. I'm going all the way to South Jersey to do a video down in Cape May, actually a couple videos down in Cape May, as well as the Wildwoods before I head back up north. So I wanted something light because there's a lot of walking today. I guess I'll just have to manage. It's really good. By the way, if you guys enjoy watching me eat, and apparently you do, make sure you check out the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. It's a new channel here of mine, and I'll leave a link in the description below. That's all I do, is eat. I think you'll enjoy it. Check it out. Let's try one of these hash browns. Not very crispy, but we'll check it out. They're seasoned nicely. Could have been cooked about 30 seconds more, but they are tasty. I've always loved juices, even as a kid, and they're really not good for you. My doctor told me that years ago, so I just have them every once in a while. For example, this apple juice got 43 carbs, 43 grams of carbs. That's high. 40 grams of sugar. That's like 2 candy bars. It's crazy. It's natural and it looks healthy, but it's really not good for you. You're much better off eating the fruit, but every once in a while, Won't hurt you. Take it from me, your guide to nutrition. I had mentioned last night that Hard Rock upped my tier level on their rewards card, and that was very nice of them. Hard Rock's pretty good with comps, so. But here's a quick lesson for those of you starting out or those of you who just might be curious. Start at one hotel and casino and just gamble there if that's what you want to do. And then eventually they'll up your tier, which will get you to like free parking and some rooms comped and stuff like that. Maybe a couple of free shows. Once you get that tier level upped, you bring your card to all the other hotels and casinos like Ocean, Caesars, Bally's, and most likely they'll match that tier, and all of a sudden you have free parking at all those hotels and casinos, maybe some comped rooms as well as shows. So that's how you do it. Gamble at one place first, get that tier upped, and then bring that card to all the other casinos, and chances are they're going to match it for you and give you all those benefits as well. I know most of you know that information already. You've been around the block once or twice as far as casinos are concerned, but there's a couple new people out there who might be interested in getting involved in gambling and wanting to know a little bit about the reward card system, and that little tip was for them. Apparently these valves behind me adjust the water level of the Atlantic Ocean. So if the water level drops a little bit, they turn the valve and it fills it up a little bit more. That's what they told me. Give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.